Do you want to earn money online in 2025, even without selling your own products? Affiliate marketing might be perfect for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to become an affiliate marketer using Involve Asia, a trusted affiliate network in Southeast Asia. And don't worry, it's beginner friendly. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products or services online. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no customer service, just marketing. Involve Asia is one of the biggest affiliate networks in Asia. They connect you with brands and platforms like Shopee, Lazada, Zalora, and even travel companies. Once you're approved, you can get affiliate links and start promoting right away. Here's how to get started. Click my invite link below to join Involve Asia. Register as a publisher. That's you, the affiliate. Fill out your details. Don't worry, it's free. Once approved, you can log in and explore all the merchants available. Inside your Involve Asia dashboard, choose a brand you want to promote, like Shopee or Lazada. Copy your affiliate link and share it on your YouTube videos, TikTok or Facebook Reels, blogs, or websites, even group chats or communities. Every time someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. So, pro tip, focus on products you actually use or believe in. It makes your promotions more authentic. Another tip, use social media content, short videos, reviews, or tutorials to drive traffic to your links. And don't forget, consistency is the key. The more content you put out, the more chances you have to earn. So if you want to start affiliate marketing today, sign up through my Involve Asia invite, link in the description or bio. It's free, beginner friendly, and a great way to start your online income journey in 2025.